NYX Professional Makeup, one of the leading brands in professional makeup, positions itself as the brand of entertainment. There is a low awareness in Turkey. Our target group is the dynamic 14 to 34 age group to boost our awareness. With our Barbie the movie-inspired makeup collection in partnership with Warner Bros. And Mattel, we aim to achieve boost awareness, enhance our brand entertainment image, and spark viral excitement on social media. We harnessed influencer marketing to spotlight our Barbie-inspired makeup collection, leveraging top influencers for wider reach. With our Barbie the Movie Gala sponsorship, we're all set for the brand of entertainment. During our campaign, we increase our reach with Meta and YouTube investments targeting 14 to 34 females and cinema investment with 100% coverage for 2 weeks. Before the gala, we prepared kits to be sent to the most suitable 45 influencers based on demographics and interests, inviting them to the event. We reached 3.9 million people by sending kits. We increased our viral reach over 6 million on social media. At our gala event with 105 influencers and a total of 1,000 attendees, we achieved over 10 million reach with over 350 pieces of user-generated content. To promote our Barbie makeup collection and boost awareness, we ran simultaneous campaigns with 8 influencers on Instagram and TikTok. With 19 pieces of content, we garnered 8.5 million organic views and 338,000 organic engagements. Including paid investments, our total reach surpassed 10 million views. By the end of the campaign, we boosted awareness to the point where 56% of collection buyers were brand newcomers. Our brand of entertainment image soared, and we claimed the top spot for share of influence in Europe's makeup category in July. Notably, Turkey was one of the top 3 countries that had the largest SOI share in this success.